if you're in year 10, then you need to know how to do this question before your mock exams without a calculator. So a ton of people struggle with finding the mean and the median from a table like this. Let's start off with the mean. Step number 1 is to find the midpoint between all of these numbers here. So between 14 and 18, we get 16. The midpoint between 18 and 20 is 19. And then we have these values for these ranges here. The next step is to take each of these midpoints and times it by the frequencies on the other side. So 16 times 4 is 64. 19 times 10 is 190. And then when you've done that for all of the other rows, step 3 is literally just to add up all of these numbers and add up all of these numbers. So adding up all of these numbers gets us 615, and adding up all these gets us 30, and we then literally do 615 divided by 30, and that's our final answer. Now, to find the median instead, it's literally 10 times easier. Step number 1 is you find the cumulative frequency for this column here. So that means you add up all the numbers as you go down. So up until this point here, the numbers add up to 4. But then all of these numbers, you have to add on the 10 to get 14. You then add up all of these numbers and you add on the 8 to get 22. You then add on the 5 to get 27, and you add on the 3 to get 30. Now, if you imagine 30 people in a line, who's in the middle? Well, number 15 is in the middle. So you half 30 to get 15. And then you have to see where 15 fits in down here. And it fits in to this 22 here. So our final answer for the median is this range here where 22 is, 20 to 22. If you need any help in English Lit as well, we're giving you every quote you need for Power and Conflict and a grade 9 analysis per one. So you get these flashcards for every single quote, and every single one comes with a grade 9 analysis just like this. Available right now at the link in our bio, plstutors.co.uk.